Welcome to PayFunnels. As a coach, collecting payments from your clients has never been easier. With PayFunnels, you can accept payments for sessions, packages, recurring subscriptions, or coaching programs using a single payment link. To create a payment link, click on New Payment Link and enter the title and description. Want to offer your clients multiple payment options, like a one-time full payment of $5,000 or 5 monthly installments of $1,000, all under the same link? Just choose Multiple Product and select the combination option. Click Add Product and choose One Time. Enter the product or package name and description, set the amount to $5,000, and click Save. Then, click Add Product again and choose Payment Plan. Add a name and description. Enter $1,000 as the amount, select Monthly for the interval, and set it to end after 5 payments. Then click Save. Once both options are added, save the payment link, and you're done. Use the Send Email feature to send it directly to clients. Or copy and share the link via WhatsApp, Instagram, or any platform you prefer. Click View Payment Link to see the checkout page. Your clients can now choose either the full payment or the installment plan. Need help? Email us anytime at support@payfunnels.com.